Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a concept that is seen on both the SAT and the ACT, and it's actually one of my favorites because it's one that actually has real life value to it. It's a formula that you're probably going to use at one point in your life, and it's great to get a head start here in your standardized testing. Now, this topic is one that when I first do it with my students, they have not really seen it before. It's not really tested in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2 or geometry or even pre-calculus. So it's nice, once again, to get a leg up here in your standardized testing. And I'm going to put on the board right now what that formula is. And it is the percentage increase decrease formula. And the formula reads new minus original over original. And this is going to bring us to a decimal value. So we will be multiplying against 100 to turn it into a percent. Now, before I go into an SAT practice problem, I'm actually going to show you a real life example of how we use this formula. So let's say you have a babysitting job and you're currently making $12 an hour. And a new family wants you to babysit and they're offering you $15 an hour. And you're probably thinking, what's $3? But the formula I'm going to show you right now is going to show you what percentage raise you just got with your new family. So the most important part of this formula is to label both the new and the original. And oftentimes this is exactly where students go wrong and they switch the values, and SAT and ACT know this is coming, so they have trap answers waiting for you. So I'm first going to label the $12 an hour as the original and the $15 an hour as the new price. And now we're going to put it into this formula. So we're going to take the new rate of $15 an hour minus the original rate of $12 an hour, and we're going to divide by $12 an hour. And if we do the numerator here, we get 3, and then our denominator is still 12. And if we go ahead and divide those two numbers in the calculator, we end up getting 0.25. And as we said, we're going to multiply against 100. And we're going to get 25%. So you basically just got a 25% raise in babysitting. So now I'm going to show you an example from one of the College Board Blue Book tests. And this question 24 here comes from the College Board Blue Book test number 6. So College Board feels that this is a medium or difficult level question. And so if we take a look here, it says a customer's monthly water bill was $75.74. So this was the original bill. And then it said due to a rate increase, her monthly bill is now $79.86. So this guy we're going to label N for the new rate. And then it says to the nearest tenth of a percent, by what percent did the amount of the customer's water bill increase? And so this word right here, that's our trigger for the formula we just learned, the new minus the original over original. So let's put our numbers into that formula right now. So we're going to take our new of $79.86 and we're going to subtract our original of $75.74. And once again, we just want to make sure we're dividing by the original value of $75.74. And so using our calculator, which we always want to use because it's more accurate than we are, for the numerator, we're going to get 4.12. And on the denominator, we still have our $75.74. And when we do this and we go ahead and divide, we end up getting 0.054. And as we talked about, we're going to multiply 1 by 100, which is just the decimal point 2 places over. And we're going to end up getting 5.4%. And if we take a look, that is answer choice D right there. So it's a very easy formula, and again, one that you're going to be using for the rest of your life. And now you are just able to see how it's going to make an SAT problem that much easier.